How's it going, everyone? It is Reverse Trader King, and I have to talk about all these reverse split plays that are making massive money, and one that could potentially do it too is CISS. So I want to talk about CISS. What do I see in it, and where we can take off from here. So, as you guys know, I like to catch bottoms in the stock market. I like to get in early before anyone else gets in because I do not want to chase it when the price is running up way up, especially for pennies or any type of stocks, because you can bag hold quite fast and you can lose a big portion of your money. So I'm going to discuss the system, and before I get right into it, do join the premium Discord if you want to learn more about it, get all the technicals, get the updates that I do. I have education videos with it. It's only $6 a month, and you also get a bonus of my actual alerts that I put in there with an over 95% win ratio. So, let's get to the system. Let's see. You guys want to see this. You want to see where I accurately report said to buy this before, and we'll go right into it. So for the CISS, we have the three bands. The bottom band is a buy zone. It doesn't mean you get in right away. It's just to say, hey, this is looking like a great opportunity. Let's look into it to buy. The middle band, the yellow, known as your EMA 10, is where price has to go back to. And if you look at chart after chart after chart, it might seem depressing and all, but price will go back to this. And so I use time distance. I developed this unique strategy with using the lower band of an ATR levels that are extremely oversold if they hit these, that I customized it with this EMA 10 band for a very short-term conservative target. And when I say time distance, I'm meaning when is the last time we hit this yellow band? And it would be right here at March 14th for this example. And then I say anything within 2 to 3 weeks is pretty long if it hasn't hit the middle band. And that's when you look for these swift moves up. For example, right in here, we hit the lower band here with big drop. Usually you don't see a lot of these where the big drop happens and then it just shoots up right up. But that's what CISS just decided to do. We have this big drop and we just shoot right up to this middle band here. Massive gains and almost get up to this EMA 20, which is beautiful right in there. Another example, this thing has religiously been doing it. It dropped big right in here, hits the lower band, and guess what? It shoots up to this middle band right in here. We're going to count that as a touch. It was pretty freaking close. And that's about all the history that I would have traded this thing. So everyone wants to know the current thing. We have a 1 for 100 reverse split. So the price is kind of well off from the lower band. So this one's like, I think it can pump, like for sure. Not every play has to hit the lower band. Like under here, it pumped, and then under here, it pumped. But those didn't really have time distance, according to my strategy, right, for the best one. And I talked about BCAN. If you guys, watched my BCAN video, it pumped from 60 cents, and now it was like 120 today. What I want to look for is price to be as close as possible to this lower band. And the next thing I want to look for is the K to be lower. I made a video right in here. I got a lot of smack. I said, we do not want to be buying CISS at $4.40. This was before the reverse split because we already hit our objectives. We were right at the EMA 20, right at the EMA 10. And that's when a lot of these downtrend stocks bump their head and go under. A lot of the strong uptrend stocks will respect those levels. They would hit it and then bounce back up, and you'll see like that with SPY, Nvidia, Meta, those stronger companies. But these are penny stocks. A lot of the algos are going to correct it to these levels. That's why this EMA 10 is so important with this strategy. But you can't just rely on just that. You need to know when to actually buy, when to sell, because these are going to accumulate. The tricky part is, when does it hit? And that's why we use time distance. Anything that hasn't hit this band within 2 to 3 weeks, and then a month is pretty rare. That's when we look for massive orders to make our big money, right? So let's be patient on CISS. I do like it because the RS theme is hyped, and if this thing goes any lower, this could be very nice. Let me count you guys the time distance as of now. So we have a 409-2024. So April 9th, we have hit the middle band. Right here, we have a clear touch, and then the algos decide where to take it. We did our mission. They wanted to go down, so we go down. Hopefully no one bought these candles, bought this candle, and then this candle, and then a reverse split. So hopefully no one did that. I want to show you this system. I tried to alert it before. I made a video. I said, do not buy it around here on April 4th. And I know a lot of people that watch my YouTube listen to me and they see these repeated videos because these actually work. And yes, there is no perfect system where you're going to get the exact bottom and and you're going to get to the T and you're going to make 50, 100%. I'm looking for those 20 to 30% range areas, as those are nice, decent gains, and you can compound your count fast, and you get the next ticker, the next ticker, the next ticker, as long as you're consistent doing it. So we have an April 9th touch. So if we count each candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a whole week from these candles right here and a day here. So we have 1 week and 1 day as time distance. I like to see 2 weeks to 3 weeks of time distance of where this has not been touched, and I want to see big range to it. Right now we're kind of in the middle. We're kind of floating around. Can we go absolutely lower? Absolutely, we can go lower. Do we go lower? I don't think so, because what you can see is, as of now, we have a negative number because of how much this has fluctuated. As you can see, look how wide these bands are. These bands are extremely wide because of the price fluctuations. When the price goes down very fast like this, look how wide this band was. It takes time to correlate to it. And now that we're getting a little more funneling in, these are going to go down and it's going to correlate to it. What I do want to see is as close as possible to the lower band, obviously, and I want to see a lower K on the KDJ. Right now we're at a 9.42. I want to see if we can get to a 5. That's really what I want to see, and time distance is looking good. We need about 1 more week, and I'll consider this trade, but I'm going to keep this on watch list. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're seeing here. BCAN was the one that was alerted in the Discord. I alerted it right in here, made a nice 30%. A lot of my members know my strategy. They went in again as they got here close to this. Guess what? Made another 2, 13, another 30% right in here. That's what you want to see. And as you can see, the algos to a T hit it, and then they decide what to do next. That's what I want to see with CISS. I want to see as close as possible, some time distance, and then I want to see it touch this just like it did it before. It's going to touch it. I promise you will. I guarantee it will. And that's what we did here. It touched it, made massive money. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, where a lot of people are in here helping each other, learning out plays, because everyone that's watched these videos, subscribed, watched the education, they know this system just like me, and there's more eyes on plays. If you want to join a premium Discord, and if you just want to learn these plays, this is the best way to do it. Watching the YouTube videos is nice. Subscribing, that is very nice, because I will give little tips on plays that I really like and that I'm looking to get into, even entries. But being a part of the community is the best way, because this is real-time action. When the market's going, as you know, price action is happening in real time, so it is best to join the Discord. It's only $6 a month, and to join, go down to the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. I'll pin it in there. It'll be in my YouTube description. Very easy to find. And like I said, I'm going to be super transparent with you. If I'm in a losing trade, you're going to know my exact entries. So, for example, if you go to RTK Swing Trades, these are Reversal Trader King. That's what I'm known by. And you can see my exact entries when I get in and then when I get out. And obviously, you'll know my reasoning. And the main thing is my accumulation. You and I discuss how to accumulate, because you're not going to get the exact bottom. You want to have that powder in, because we know we're getting precise and close to the bottom. So you want to have that powder, because the accumulation is where the big money is going to be in this system. We have day trade alerts and then education videos. I talked about my swing trading strategy. If you want to get your chart to look like that, I had the video for this. No worries. You don't have to rely on me. You can have all these educations on how to use it. And of course, I'll be in the channel to help. Only $6 a month. Highly recommend it. And if you guys really did enjoy this video, I know I made a video about CISS back in April 4th. And I was saying, do not buy, be very careful, tread lightly. And guess where we're at? A massive haircut from 430, upper fives almost. And then we're down to $1.40. Now, if you're getting in on my alerts here, now is a better risk versus reward. We are under the lower band. We're closer to the green band. And we just had a reverse split. This can make a big move. Keep that in mind. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment. It helps so much. I promise you, the algos look at that on YouTube and they spread it to more people. So I really do appreciate if you hit the thumbs up. And like I say, guys, join the premium Discord. You'll see me there. And this is the most unique strategy. I promise you, it's for swing trading. You're going to have over 95% win ratio. You can do it in any price action, futures, forex, stocks. It does not matter. This works for anything, and we're using daily candles, which are the strongest candles, which works best for swing trading. Hope to see you guys there. Peace out.